Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to install extensions from other stores in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window. Select Extensions from the top down menu. Extensions window will open. Click on Manage Extensions. In the left sidebar, toggle the button next to Allow extensions from other stores to turn it on. Click Allow to confirm. Now, at the bottom of the page, you can find a link to Chrome Web Store. Click on it. You can also search for Chrome Web Stores in Google search. Now, search for your favorite extension. When you find your favorite extension, click the Get button to download and install the extension. Click Add extension to confirm. As you can see, the extension has been installed. Similarly, you can install other extensions. To access the installed extensions, click the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window and select Extensions from the drop-down menu. Now, click on Manage Extensions. All the installed extensions will be shown here. As you can see, extensions installed from the Microsoft Store is shown above and the extensions which are installed from other stores is shown below. This is how you can install extensions from other stores in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.